Hey guys, what is up? This is Cam Jennings. I'm the creator of Membership Massacre. First and foremost, I just want to thank you for checking out my sales page. Be sure to look around, see all the details of this product. Really quickly, I just want to point out what this is. Basically, Membership Massacre is a 6-step system that's going to help you get your membership site up and running quickly, easily, and for free, most importantly. It's really cool. I'm excited to get it out to you guys. And one of the things I really like about Membership Massacre here is that it is an audio training. And what that means is it is all about passive learning. That means you can do other things while you're listening to Membership Massacre. It's designed to help you get those wheels turning, and it's designed to help you take action. That being said, you can listen to this while you're exercising, while you're walking your dog, while you're working on your computer. It is 100% passive learning. And I think in 2021, that is a big deal in this busy time that we all live in. Membership Massacre is about an hour and a half long in total. It's designed to get in, get you the info you need, and let you get off to the races. I want to see you win, and that is what Membership Massacre is all about, helping you win and get your recurring income started. That being said, look around the sales page. Be sure to email me with any questions you have before purchase. I'm at camjenningspro@gmail.com. That being said, I will see you inside.